This is final project mech 140. My name is Alexander Shaw, and as you can see, it's at the final step right now, assembly. Hold up, wait till it gets green. Okay, and as you can see, this is process 1. When it hits red and it starts blinking, it starts going through the process, and then it hits yellow, it starts blinking, and when it hits green, that means it's good. Yellow means it's almost done. Red is starting the next process. This is process 2. The same thing. And then the assembly line is at the end. I have my pins set up to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And I have a resistor. I think this is a 350. There's a 350 going on the negative side, the control to the other side. But yeah, this is my system. This is my program. Hold up, I'm gonna help y'all out real quick. Bro, I feel bad when people, nah. Hold on, let me take off that flash. Where's the motherfucking flash? Yep. Y'all just pause that like 56%. Bro, I got you. And that's the end. Thank you for watching.